Hey, yes, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's SFP update, and I'm just going to dive into the SFP SAFEPAL, in my opinion. And this is a coin that actually has been painful. It has took a long time to actually start pumping, but I do see some potential in it in the next coming few days. And if you're not in the Discord, guys, yesterday our ocean target just got hit. We entered at the 0.8 and we cashed it at the 1, and you can already see here this was back in 8 what the date is, yeah, 8 of December. Today's 10 of December, right? So December is free, you can enjoy December, but at the moment, guys, SFP, what is it doing? We are trying to go up, but the volume is not really kicking in the 1 hour time frame. But I'm just going to dive into the 4 hour time frame in here very quickly, and we're going to talk about this one. It seems like on the 4 hour time frame we're already getting that bullish cross, guys. This is looking super amazing. I'm just gonna bring in one more indicator, which is the Gaussian channel, and the Gaussian channel, the upper band is looking to be broken. Now unless you're not breaking it, you're not gonna continue, and there's a potential you can fall down to the 1.9903. I'm just gonna put a horizontal line right there. You can see it falling just a little bit there, and then bounce from here and then continue. But the fact that it's making a cross on the 4 hour time frame is a good sign. It is a good sign. And I'm going to go into the daily as well. Let's see if we have any progress in the daily. Now on the daily, we have already broken out of it, and we did have a nice decent volume. It's not really bad. The volume is quite good right there. But the next coming few days, you might expect, SafePal to go to this price. I do have a price target for $3 right there, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show you. So from here to here, that's gonna be like a nice 38% up price to the upside, but do expect a small pullback or a retracement before we actually get there. So it can actually just come a little bit down here, bounce off this place, and then continue. Just gonna turn off the Gaussian channel. I'm gonna hide the volume as well here. Now let's talk about this. Where have we been going from, and where we're continuing to move right now? Let's hide the EMAs as well. So I'm going to actually zoom out of everything from here, and it seems like it's trying to get back to the all-time high from where it launched on the Binance as well. So I'm going to put in a $4.4369 out there, and it seems like we made a nice beautiful cup and handle. Okay, I'm going to show you this one very quickly. You have nice cup right there, and this is potentially that handle that you formed, and you're now continuing to go towards the upside. So if you don't know anything about the cup and handle, I'm just going to show you from Google here, and we can write here in a cup and handle pattern. Okay, there's a bullish pattern, so I'm going to show you this one, yeah, very quickly right there. This is basically, you have like a bowl, a cup, and then you have a handle. Now to give you a much more better illustration, is just like this one, and they are a continuation pattern. Do you understand that? So now let's say you do break out of this cup and handle pattern right there. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add a steam right here because I like how beautiful the steam looks. Anyway, so the thing is, whenever you break out of this cup and handle, you take the height from the top there to the bottom right here, and this is where you're breaking out again. It's taking you back to that all-time high. So you can see technical analysis is actually quite good. So I do have a price prediction, guys, but I don't think it's gonna stop there. If it start getting so bullish by the end of the bull run, I don't know when the end of the bull run is, but the end of the bull run, when Bitcoin is actually gonna be exhausted, you could see a price appreciation of $15. And from here, from wherever you break, from wherever you're now moving, if you're entering here, it's gonna go all the way. That's like a 5x. Now let's talk about the resistance right here. It seems like it came down and bounced off the 0.5. Look at that, very beautifully bounced off the 0.5. We're looking to go above the 0.618 and hold the $2 like a boss. Now if it start to holding this level here, I would like to take a nice good entry, and so that we can continue towards the upside. Do you understand that? Now I'm going to dive into the 4 hour time frame in there, and this larger Fibonacci retracement seems to work quite good, quite well. Diving into the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the 2.0721 is being respected at the moment. I do see a lot of bullishness in this coin right now, and it seems like it's gonna go a little bit down here, you know, and look at that bullish cross right there on the 4-hour time frame as we've spoken. And yeah, so what you want to see for SFP is it holds the 0.618 right here, you know, and then we're going to continue towards the upside. So actually, I'm going to tell you the next target if we hold that level, which is going to be the 2.8958. Lose this level, lose the 2.078. Remember, this is going to take you back down to the 1.6 probably to retest, but I don't think so. One more thing to keep in mind is that you've already broken off a nice, beautiful, almost like a W pattern that was going on. So went up like this, up down in the waveforms, and I see it going up, then coming down, hold this level, then continue towards the upside. Okay, so the longer term time targets, I'm going to tell you the next targets if we start a parabolic move with SFP as well. So now we do have the 2.8 there, the 4.43, which is the all-time high. You're gonna have the 7.6, the $10, and then finally you're gonna have the $15 as your next target after crossing the golden ratio. So always put a tick right there, and you can go all the way towards that upside. So yeah, so that's a nice update for you for SFP. We are looking for these targets above if we start getting bullish. I do see the cup and handle playing out. I do see $4.4 maybe by December, who knows, by January. But it's safe to say in the next coming weeks you can have 2.8958 as your price target for SFP, unless you don't start rolling down and losing the 2 and the 1.9903, and then you're going to go back to the 1.6. But it doesn't mean that it's bearish. It's starting to pick up pretty nicely. It went all the way, just come up there, go down, spend time, and now we're looking to put the leg towards the upside. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Like this one, join the Discord, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.